Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math of Class 10, full guide. Start by listing all chapters and marking strengths and weaknesses, then assign focus study blocks. Use a mix of reading, worked examples, and timed practice to build speed and accuracy. Review mistakes immediately and make concise error notes. Aim for steady daily progress, not last-minute cramming, and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Use active practice to convert understanding into skill by solving problems, not just reading solutions. Start with examples in textbooks, then attempt similar questions without hints, and finally simulate exam timing. Focus on method consistency, neat notation, and writing every step clearly so partial marks are secure. When stuck, rewind to fundamentals, rework simpler cases, and gradually increase difficulty as confidence grows with each session. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle during long study sessions because it keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, which saves time and avoids spills. It's a small productivity win that really helps on study days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Revise smart by condensing each chapter into a one-page sheet of formulas, key steps, and common pitfalls. Use spaced repetition to revisit those sheets regularly and avoid forgetting earlier topics. Schedule full-length mock tests to build stamina, then analyze errors to update your sheets. Keep practicing alternate methods for tough problems so you have backup approaches during exams and maintain a calm, steady pace when answering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.